Hello everyone, I'm Christina and welcome to video 9 of our A-Level Mathematics Calculus series. This video is a summary for differentiating trig functions. So our objective is just to state the derivatives of common trig functions which we have looked at previously, and we have found the derivatives from first principles. And in this video, we're going to include the reciprocal trig functions. So we're going to state the results when we differentiate those. So for our standard trig functions, we've seen these before, but we have them listed here. So here we have the notation d over dx. So it means we're finding the derivative of our function sine x with respect to x. So this is equivalent to the previous notation f dash x, f dash of x. So they both mean the same thing, and you should be comfortable with both. So the derivative of sine x, or d over dx of sine x, is cos x. D over dx, or the derivative of cos x, is minus sine x. And the derivative of tan x, or d over dx of tan x, is sec squared x. And we've shown all of these from first principles. So now we're going to look at the derivatives of our reciprocal trig functions, and we're going to start with sec x. So d over dx of sec x, and a reminder that sec x is the reciprocal of cos x. And when we differentiate sec x, we get sec x tan x. The next one we're going to look at is d over dx of cosec x. Cosec x is the reciprocal function of sine x. And when we differentiate it, we get minus cosec x cot x. And our cot x here is the reciprocal function of tan x. And that's the last one we're going to differentiate. So we're doing d over dx of cot x. That's equal to minus cosec squared x. So these are all the common trig functions that you should be able to recall the derivatives of.